Welcome to Do Homework with me. You might hear some background noise. It's raining outside. I hope you will enjoy this quiet study time. The first example is we're going to use a monomial to multiply a polynomial. To be more specific, 3 terms. So this is a trinomial. Alright, let's use distributive method. I'm going to use a times 2a squared. We will have 2a to the third power. Let's continue. A times negative 3a. We'll have negative 3a to the second power. Last one, we're going to use a times 9. We have 9a. Then we are done. Let's continue. We're going to use a table method to find the product of these binomials. The first one is a binomial w plus 2. The next one is binomial w minus 3. Let's build a box. And on top of the box, I'm going to write a w, then add 2. And next one, I'm going to write a w minus 3. Now, what is w times w? W squared. Let's continue. What is w times negative 3? Negative 3w. Let's get a different color. What is w times 2? 2w. Last one. What is 2 times negative 3? That's negative 6. Now, we're going to write them out here. W squared, no like term. And negative 3w and 2w combine like terms. We have negative w. Last term, copy down negative 6. This is how we use box method. We will continue use this question to demonstrate how to use a method called a FOIL. FOIL method. F is first, so I'm going to multiply both the first term. The first term in the first binomial is w. The first term in the second binomial is also w. So first w times w, w squared. O always alter. Going to get a different color for you. Alter is w is the outer term of the first one binomial. And negative 3 is outer term. So I'm going to have negative 3w. Outer is done. Let's look at inner. These two guys are inner term. I'm going to multiply them. 2 times w, 2w. Last one, I'm going to use last. Last is 2 and a negative 3. That gives us negative 6. Now, we're going to combine like terms, just like when we almost finished the table method. We combine like terms. We're going to combine like terms here. Okay, this is how we use FOIL method. Alright, let's try another method and get a different question. This time I'm going to use a vertical method, just like when you multiply two real numbers. So 3k minus 1, copy down. 4k plus 9, copy down. I'm going to multiply negative 1 and positive 9 gives me negative 9. I'm going to multiply 3k and 9. That gives me 27k. Now I'm going to multiply 4k and negative 1. That gives me negative 4k. Last one, I'm going to multiply 3k and 4k. That gives me 12k squared. Now, I'm going to add this polynomial. Negative 9, drop down. 27 and negative 4 is 27 minus 4, 23k. And drop down 12k squared. Now, we call it all done, this vertical multiplication method. Now we're going to simplify these expressions. Let's look at the first part. It says p times open close parenthesis 2p minus 3. I'm going to use distributive. So p times 2p, 2p squared. P times negative 3, negative 3p. Now I come here to look at this part. In our future lesson, there's one simple rule you can use. But for now, we can use our vertical method. We can use FOIL. We can also use table method. So go ahead, stop this video, pause this video, and pick your favorite method. Let's see what you have. Here, I'm going to use vertical multiplication. So positive 3 times negative 3, negative 9. 3 times p, 3p. P times negative 3, negative 3p. Last one, p times p, p squared. Negative 9 and positive 3p plus negative 3p. That is 0p, so it's 0. Then I have p squared minus 9. As we said earlier, in this, have a very simple rule you can use very soon. So make sure come back and visit our video. We're going to give you a simple rule you can use to solve this part. And for now, we're going to write down p squared minus 9. Now, you have 2p squared, you have p squared. We're going to combine like terms. So we have 3p squared minus 3p minus 9. The degree of this polynomial is decreasing from left to the right side. Very good job.